Good afternoon. My name is Steve No. I'm a CRM trainer and consultant based in Raleigh, North Carolina. And I'm going to share with you today one of my tips for being very efficient in the use of CRM when you're in the Outlook client. So with no further ado, what we're looking at on the screen here is the mail folder in Outlook 2007, although this works pretty much the same in Outlook 2003. And if you'll notice, up here in the top left, there's something called the favorites folders. Sometimes people have it minimized so that you see this line and nothing in it, but if you just double click on these little arrows, it'll open it back up. If you don't see the favorites folders, it may be because you're not working in the mail folder, but you're actually working down here in the folders list. Well, why is this important? Well, basically the favorites folder is one of those things in Outlook that people really don't use as much as they should, and in all the training sessions I've done, usually about 2/3 of the people that use Outlook don't even understand that they can use it to basically make themselves more effective when they're running Outlook. But the neat part about it is that when you have CRM, you've got a lot of extra folders that you've got to sort through, and this is a great way of organizing your desktop so that you can be fast at everything that you need. And so to demonstrate what I'm talking about, wouldn't it be nice if you had all the folders in CRM that you use up here in one place right next to your inbox so you didn't have to sort through all of these different CRM folders to find what you need? And typically, if we look at how CRM is distributed, it's going to look something to this effect on your desktop, where we're going to see these 4 folders, and to get to what we need, if we're in sales, we open up this folder, and if we might also be working down here in the workplace to get to some of the things that we need there. Well, since we need things from both, it makes it kind of a pain because you've got to scroll through things to find what you're looking for. So with no further ado, let me show you what I have in mind. Now, since I work in sales a fair amount as well as doing the training, I always need to have the accounts, the contacts, and the leads right there when I can get to them. So the way that you do that is we come down here and I'm going to right click on companies, which is what we've renamed our account entity in CRM to be. And then I come down here and I click in the menu on Add to Favorite Folders. And if you'll notice, it appeared right up here in the favorites. And I'm going to go ahead and do that again, and I suggest you do as well. Right click on Contacts, Add to Favorites Folders. Right click on Leads, Add to Favorites Folders. Now I also need my activities and my opportunities, but I want them in a different place. So I can right click on Opportunities, and I'm going to add to favorites, but now what I'm going to do is come up here and I'm going to drag and drop it and put it right up here under the inbox. But I also need my activities, and my activities are down here under Workplace, My Work, and I'm going to right click it and I'm going to add it to favorites folders as well. And since I want it right up here under the inbox, since that's close to all my to-do lists, I'm going to put it there. So it's that simple. And if you go ahead and do this, you'll find that you're going to be much more productive, because all you've got to do to get anywhere you need is click on the folders in your favorites and you're right there. And no, this doesn't make a duplicate of anything. These are just shortcuts to the actual folder. So it doesn't matter whether you click on inbox or you click on inbox down here, you go to exactly the same place. It's just a question of getting used to using this. So anyway, again, my name is Steve No. I work with business IT professionals out of Raleigh, North Carolina. Check out our website at bizitpro.com, and we hope you have a great day. Thanks.